Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link Doordash to Amazon Prime. This is a fantastic way to unlock exclusive delivery benefits and save money on your food orders through your Prime membership. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Doordash Amazon Prime. This will pull up the official page where Amazon and Doordash have partnered to offer Prime members special perks. Once the search results appear, look for the link that says Prime Exclusive Doordash Offer and click on it. This will take you directly to the promotional page where you can begin linking your accounts. On this page, you'll need to click Sign In to access your Amazon account. This is a crucial step because it verifies your Prime membership and ensures you're eligible for the Doordash benefits. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your mobile number or email address associated with your Amazon account. Type that in and then click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll need to enter your password to complete the login process. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any delays. Once you've typed in your password, click Sign In. This will authenticate your account and bring you to the Prime membership page where you can finalize your subscription if you haven't already. Now click Join Prime. This step is important because it activates or confirms your Prime membership, which is required to unlock the Doordash offer. If you're already a Prime member, this will simply confirm your status and move you to the next step. After that, you'll be asked to select your payment method. Amazon gives you several options here, such as using your Amazon gift card balance, entering a gift card, voucher, or promotional code, or adding a credit or debit card. Choose whichever option works best for you. For instance, if you want to add a credit or debit card, click Add a credit or debit card. You'll then need to enter your card details. This includes your card number, expiration date, security code, and the name on the card. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any payment issues. Once you've filled in these details, click Add and Continue. This will save your payment method and prepare your account for any future Prime charges. Now click Continue to proceed. This finalizes your payment setup and brings you to the Doordash integration page. At this point, you'll be guided through the steps provided by the Doordash offer. One of the key actions here is to click Activate Now to unlock your free Dash Pass. This is where the magic happens. When you activate it, Prime members can enjoy unlimited $0 delivery fees on eligible orders, plus access to other exclusive promotions and discounts. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Doordash account to Amazon Prime and unlocked valuable delivery benefits. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.